Congratulations! So you decided to learn Arabic.
مرحبا.
Excellent choice. We're gonna simplify Arabic and make it fun for you to learn. First of all, keep in mind that Arabic is not hard.
You got this.
If it's spoken by human beings like you and me, then it's easy to learn. In this short video, we'll be sharing some tips and thoughts with you before you start learning Arabic. We made it using slides so you can take screenshots if you like. First tip, skip grammar.
Skipping.
No, we'll skip it.
At least at the beginning. You can learn it afterwards only if you need to, like if you want to get a certificate or a degree in Arabic, or for any other reason. Grammar will then sound natural to you and easier to learn. If you intend to learn slang Arabic, in any accent actually, then you won't need to learn grammar. If you can't make up your mind now whether to learn Fusha, which is modern standard Arabic, or slang in any accent, then start with Fusha, the modern standard Arabic. If you later on decide to learn slang, this will make it easier for you actually. It's going to be easier to learn an accent, after learning Fusha. Besides, Fusha is understood by all Arabs and it's used widely in the news, books, magazines, etc. Both ways you will need to practice. We'll talk more about that shortly. Now the second tip, make learning as natural as possible. Like babies do. How do babies learn to talk? At first they pick up a few words, daddy, mommy. Then they repeat the words and the sentences they hear. And gradually, they build their vocabulary and sentences from what they hear. Afterwards, they gain the ability to form sentences and express on their own. They do not set a time frame, like they have to be fluent within 3 months, for example. No. They just let things flow, and so should you. Let it flow. We're gonna help you with that.
You'll learn, baby. You'll learn.
Third tip, to memorize better, to memorize words, sentences, connect stuff together. Connect words to other words or things. We'll be using this method a lot, and it's extremely helpful. You can use pun, for example.
Unintended.
Fourth tip, and most importantly, practice. Practice. Actually, learning a new language is all about practice. Not textbooks, not taking classes, but practice.
That's how I learned to speak Japanese.
There are so many people who can't even read and write, yet they speak multiple languages. They learned by practicing with tourists or foreigners visiting or living in their country. I've seen kids and teenagers who learned a new language simply by watching TV or listening to songs in that language. I'm sure you've seen kids singing songs in Korean. Or talking Korean. You will if you haven't yet. You will. Like I mentioned before, let it flow naturally. Don't pressure or confuse yourself. There are so many ways to practice. It can be even by talking to yourself.
Now he's talking to himself.
And as an example, we'll share as many ways as we can with you. If you have any to share with us, please do share them in the comments below. Okay, we kept it short and simple in this video, as we plan to do in all videos. If you have any tips or thoughts to share with us, don't be shy. Share them below in the comments. If you have any feedback of any kind or any questions, please don't hesitate to share or ask. Your feedback is essential to us. Now, first things first, let's learn the alphabet. It's easy and you're gonna love it. So, see you in the next video.
شكرا.